These birds are called quail. These were the food that the people of Israel ate in the wilderness. It was a divine supply. They are too timid. They are running. You can see it here. Look at them. This is in the district headquarters, number 6 and Esikoli streets. A very special, very fine bird. Not too big. Imagine. That is the sound. There is the sound. How do you like it? What is your comment? Do you think it worth meat for the big people of God? So God gives us things, no matter how small. If it is a gift from God, you take it with appreciation. But the people despise it at a time when they complained. Must we die with this small meat, small birds? That is God for you. Whatever He makes available for you, use it. It sustains you, it blesses you, and so on. I just love to see it. It is said that they have eggs they produce. Look at them. I just admire them. Admire them. Well, you can reserve your comment. I have made my own remark. These ones are weak. They are sick. Quail. The food or meats the people ate in the wilderness. Thank you.